Welcome back to Robominions.in AI interview preparation app. The topic of this video is quadratic probing to resolve collision. So that is a hashing technique we will be tracing today. Before tracing the code, I request you to watch this video on a laptop or at least make your mobile phone screen full size so that you can clearly trace the code. If it is not visible on a mobile phone, I strongly suggest you to watch this video on your laptop. And the the app I am using is Robominions.in AI interview preparation app. The app is available in the website Robominions.in. Download latest version in the website. And if you have a Windows OS laptop, click on download for Windows OS. Now let's start tracing the code. So we have this arrow which points to the code execution line. So it goes to that specific point. Right now it is pointing to hash include stdi.h. Then we have hash define hash underscore size. The macro is macro hash underscore size has been defined with value 10. In int main, now it comes to int main. Here we have int hash table of 10. So hash table of 10 is initialized with a 0. Now we call the function hash insert hash table comma key value is 30. Here we have hash index equal to hash gen. So hash gen returns the key value. We have 30 mod 10 equal to 0. So the 0 is returned. So hash index equal to 0. Then we have if hash table of 0. So hash table of 0 is 0. 0 not equal to 0 is false. So hash table of 0 is added with a key value 30. So 30 has been added. End of the hash insert function. Then we have hash insert hash table comma 55. So 55 value has to be added. So it goes to the hash insert function. We call the hash gen calculator. So hash gen calculates the hash index for us. 55 mod 10 is 5. So hash index is 5. So hash table of 5 is 0. 0 not equal to 0 is false. So we have a hash table of 5 equal to key value 55. So 55 value has been added. Okay. So right now we haven't faced any collisions. So it was a easy adding of data. Then we add 35 to the hash table. So we have hash insert. Now hash index is calculated again now. So we have 35 mod 10 equal to 5. So hash index is 5. Then we have hash table of 5. So at the hash table of 5 we have 55. So 55 not equal to 0 is true. So it goes inside the if condition. We do a quadratic probing to resolve this collision. So when we try to add 35, so it has collided with that value at that position. Now going to the quadratic probe, here we have hash index equal to hash gen. So here we have returns the key value 35 mod 10, that is 5 is returned. So int I equal to 0, while hash table of hash index is 5 plus I is 0. So 0 into 0 is 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 mod 10 is 5. So hash table of 5 is 55. 55 not equal to 0 is true, goes inside the while. So I is incremented by 1. So then we have a while hash table of 5 plus I is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 mod 10 is 6. So hash table of 6 is 0. So 0 not equal to 0 is false. So here we return the hash index 5 plus 1, 6 mod 10 equal to 6. 6 is returned. So hash index equal to 6 comes out of the if condition. Now we have hash table of 6 equal to the value 35 is added. So 35 has been successfully added. Now we try to add 45. So again we go to hash insert. Now we have hash index hash gen generated. So we return 45 mod 10, that is 5. 5 is returned. So hash index equal to 5. In the if condition we have if hash table of hash index is 5. So a hash table of 5 is 55. Now when we try to add 45, we are facing a collision at this position. So 55 not equal to 0 is true. Then we have hash index. We do a quadratic probing. So In the quadratic probing, we have hash index equal to hash gen. Again, we calculate the index. 45 mod 10 is 5. So hash index equal to 5. Int I equal to 0. Then we do a quadratic value finding, that is hash index plus I into I. So I square is used. So hash table of 5 plus 0 into 0 is 5. So 5 mod 10 is 5. So hash table of 5 is 55. 55 not equal to 0 is true. So now I is incremented to 1. Then we have in the while condition hash table of 5 plus I is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 mod 10 is 6. So hash table of 6 is 35. 35 not equal to 0 is true. Then we increment I to 2. Then we have hash table of 5 plus 2 into 2 is 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 mod 10 is 9. So at the ninth position we have 0. So 0 not equal to 0 is false. So comes out of the while condition. Then we have written hash index is 5 plus I into I is 4. So that is 2 into 2 is 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 mod 10 is 9. So 9 is returned. So hash index equal to 9. Then we come out of the if condition. Then we have hash table of 9 equal to 45. So after facing a collision, we have quadratically added the 45 to the ninth position. So end of the hash insert. Now we try to add 23. Hash index equal to hash gen. So returns the 23 mod 10. So 23 mod 10 is 3. So 3 hash index equal to 3. Then we have hash table of 3 not equal to 0. So hash table of 3 is 0. 0 not equal to 0 is false. Then we have hash table of hash index. Hash index is 3. So hash table of 3 equal to key value 23. So key value 23 has been added. End of the hash insert function. Then we have a printf searched key location. We try to find the location of the 45 key value in the hash table. So we go to the hash search, hash index equal to, we generate the hash gen. So return key value is 45. 45 mod 10 is 5. So 5 is returned to the hash index. So we have hash index equal to 5. Now int I equal to 0. In the while condition we have hash table of hash index is 5 plus I into I. I is right now 0. So 5 plus 0 into 0 is 5. 5 mod 10 is 5. So hash table of 5 is 55 and 55 is not equal to 45. It's true. So I is incremented to 1. Now we have next while condition hash table of 5 plus 1 into 1, that is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 mod 10 is 6. At the sixth location we have 35. 35 not equal to 45 is true. Now I is incremented to 2. Now we have hash table of 5 plus 2 into 2 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. At the ninth position, 9 mod 10 is 9. At ninth position we have 45. 45 not equal to 45 is false. It comes out. It comes out of the it has matched. So it comes out of the while condition and then we return hash index 5 plus 2 into 2 is 4. So 9 mod 10 is 9. So 9 is returned to the hash search. Then we print the searched key location as 9. So then we return from the main function the time complexity. If we don't face any collision, the best time complexity is order of 1. But if there is a collision, then it is order of k, where k is the probing we have to do, number of probing. So to trace the code just like I did and to make a revision, you can use the app Robominions.in AI interview preparation app. By clicking back and next button, you control the code and you can quickly revise before going to an interview or a GATE exam or any semester end exams. Because all these topics, there are thousands of topics in the computer science. You can't possibly remember all the topics. You need a tool which can help you quickly revise all the concepts in a span of few hours. So by just clicking back and next button, you can control the code and quickly revise the concepts. Okay, the app is available in the website robominions.in. Download the latest version here. And if you have Windows OS laptop, click on download for Windows OS. Then you can start using the app. Yeah. So, see you guys in next video. Thank you. Signing up, Dhananjai Sharma,
founder of Robominions.in. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share with your friends and family. Visit Robominions.in website, crack your toughest coding questions and tech interviews by downloading latest version of the app. And make your coding easy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.